I'm Pieter Jordaan. I'm the digital product lead for platforms at CSR. We were in a really tricky situation where we had quite old websites. Some were up to 8 years old, so it's very sort of mixed bag of development work that needed to happen. Any kind of small changes we needed to make on websites, we needed to push into IT queues, and we had this massive backlog, and very often we had this situation where we'd have conflicting priorities. We're negotiating internally as to who's going to rob Peter to pay Paul, and who's actually going to get the thing done. Aceik was really good at helping us kind of deconstruct our problems that we had with the solution, remediate that, build that back up, and then kind of set in place a rhythm of working where we were doing everything from doing functional requirements alongside development, alongside showcases, alongside training, so that by the point that we're doing content load, everything was just quick, easy, ready. My team were ready to do the things that they needed to do to actually get the content in, and we were authoring at speed and at pace to get to a quick go live. So it was a really smooth, simple, structured process. CSR now has a really unique position in market. We're a house of brands, and Aceik's really helped us to bring this vision to life of creating a network of sites where we're using the equity in our brands, such as strong brands like Gyprock and Bradford and PGH, to cross-share traffic through our corporate channel to our other subsidiary brands as well. So that's the first thing. Operationally, my team are now enabled to publish pages within an hour, bring these things to life. Like small content edits can be done really quickly. If you quickly wanted to whip a page up, you can pull a template in, and it's all modular templated design. So it's been an amazing transformation in efficiency and effectiveness within the team.